Let's talk about the American vowel sound ow. Ow as in cloud. You can also hear this sound in the words now, ow, how.
I. This sound occurs in the words try, night, high, right. A. This sound occurs in the words meet, women, pretty, see. Oo. This sound occurs the words look, book, could.
E. This sound occurs in the words be, meet, eat. O. This sound occurs in the words open, bone, soul. Ah. This sound occurs in the word love, daughter, cough. Er. This sound occurs in the word burn, journey, worth.
Let's talk about the American vowel sound E. These sounds occur in the words end, friend, bread.
Ear. This sound occurs in the word ear, here, dear. Awe. This sound occurs in the word tour, tourist, cure.
I. This sound occurs in the words light, like, train.
Uh. This sound occurs in the words monkey, blood, bug.
As in black. This sound is a jaw dropper. When pronouncing this sound, you need your lip at the back right here in the corner. This native language is not neutral in pronouncing these phonemes. As in black, lad, and clap. As in there, and chair.
Oh. This sounds occurs in the words honest, swan, slow.
Vowels International Phonetic Alphabet Symbols. Oo. This vowel sounds occurs in the words through, blue, do. Next is oi. This vowel sounds occurs in the words oil, noise.
The IPA phoneme a, pronounced a, corresponds to the vowel sound in words like have, trap, and hat. Example, it's the most important freedom we have.
E. O. Oo. A. A. O. Oi. O. I. Ow.
That's all. Thank you for watching and listening.